Hey everybody, it's Dr. Johnny. I got a question from a reader about something called diatomaceous earth. Now, maybe you've never heard of diatomaceous earth. I hadn't heard of diatomaceous earth until I interviewed Dr. Dan Kalish for my Truth About Fat Loss Summit. Dr. Kalish is an expert on toxins, what they do to the body, what they do metabolically, how they can stall weight loss, how they injure the mitochondria that produce energy in the cells. So he was really into what works and what doesn't work as far as cleanses and detoxifications go. And he mentioned diatomaceous earth, which caused me to actually do some research on it. And here's what I found out. So diatomaceous earth comes from something called diatoms, which are little microscopic cellular organisms that live in the water, and they're tiny. And when they die, they kind of drop down to the bottom of the waterbed, and their skeleton kind of disintegrates and becomes fossilized. And it's a microscopic kind of a little scrub, if you will, and it lands in this earth under the water body. And when the water evaporates, like a pond or a stream or a river or whatever, you've got this sort of moist earth, and it's known as diatomaceous earth. And it's used industrially as a cleanser and for example, for swimming pools to get rid of toxins. And we can use it as humans because it kind of acts as a kind of gentle scrub in the intestines. It binds to toxins, heavy metals, gets them out of the system. So there are two grades of diatomaceous earth. One is the industrial grade I mentioned just before, and the other is a food grade. And the good news about this stuff is that you can buy like a year's supply of it on Amazon for like $11. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of this, I store it in a mason jar. It's kind of this like white chalky powder, and you mix it in some water, about 8 ounces of water, and you drink it down. And I won't pretend that it tastes like an ice cream soda, but it's pretty palatable. It doesn't taste bad, kind of chalky. I don't take it near food or supplements because I don't want it to bind with anything except the junk that might be in my system. And I've incorporated this now as a daily thing for my my own regimen. I think it's really worth checking out. Diatomaceous earth, you can get it on Amazon, get the food grade, and try it every day.